Steadies. Today's target is Sandwich yet.
It's a rail and supply center. We'll be heading for the main depot at the east end of town. We can expect heavy fighter and anti-aircraft resistance. Weather's overcast. We expect little change in overall conditions. The ceiling will be under 10,000 feet. Lieutenant.
Sir?
Just take a seat, Lieutenant. Any seat.
Yes, sir.
Our secondary target will be the ammo dumps at Danton V. Here. Now, we will hit the secondary with incendiaries whether or not we hit the primary target. In other words, today there will be 2 targets, gentlemen. The flares of the day for fighter support will be red, green, green. Coming off the target, red, green, red. Are there any questions? All right, let's go to war. Thank you, Major.
Sir.
Yes, Lieutenant.
Come to think of it, I guess I do have a question at that.
Oh, do you?
Oh, yes, sir. You, General Savage?
That's right. I am General Savage, Lieutenant.
Well, I'm mighty proud to know you, sir. I'm Lieutenant Andy Lathrop, your replacement from the 912th Bomb Group. I'm your new bombardier.
You are my new bombardier.
Yes, sir.
You are the best man available.
Sir?
Come on, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
O'clock High. A QM production. Starring Robert Lansing. Also starring John Larkin and Frank Overton. With guest stars Peter Fonda and Jill Howard. Tonight's episode, The Sound of Distant Thunder.